unbelievable. Okay. We'll fix it in just a second, and then I want you to go home and watch the video, okay? Thank you. Love you. All right, so the first thing that we're going to write down is what is an exponent? And we're going to write it on the inside of this flap. And I want you to define what an exponent is to you so that the notes make sense, because sometimes my words may not always translate. So what is an exponent? No one in this whole room knows what a bless you knows what an exponent is?
It's a number, it's like another number for like a certain power.
So it's a power. It's the baby number, right? So it's the small number. That is a power. What does that power tell us to do? How many times to multiply it by itself, the base by itself. All right, so the small number that is a power, and I'm going to make this a comma. Yay! Where the power tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself. Now, with that being said, what is a base?
The numbers that are attached to.
The big number, right? The number that is attached to, is that what you said? Ooh, I like that. Take a point. The number the power is attached to. Can we say it that way? Awesome. Love it. I'm going to fix it. It's beautiful. Just chill for a second. The number the power is attached to. Now, does it have to be a number, or can it be a variable? It can be a variable. Can the exponent be a variable? It can. Those are called exponential functions. You need to do it like this. You need to write your book of exponents this way. You need to go that down super fast. Super fast. Do I need to do it? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Can you handle this? All right, go team. All right, so if I wrote x to the 6th power, which one is the base? I said I would do it. And which one's the power? Awesome. Go team. Alright, so what this foldable is going to hold is an exponent, is our exponent properties. You know what would make the announcement so much more fun is if they made that noise when they messed up. Instead of just trying to keep going. Just make a funny noise, get yourself together, then go. Do it every day. No. No. Pump your brakes. Ready, ready, ready. Okay. I don't know that he could help you, baby. Are we ready now? We all still need a mow. We need to... Okay, are we ready, Freddies? Turn your paper so that it looks like these now. Now, the first property that we're going to talk about is multiplying like bases. And we've already talked about this in our math workshop, right? Just say yes, because we have. Even if you can't remember, we did. Alright, so multiplying like bases. And who remembers what we do to the exponents when we multiply like bases? You do add them. Take a point. So like if I said x to the 6th times x cubed times x to the 4th. All of those are like bases. So you add all those numbers together. And what's 3 plus 6 plus 4? What is it? 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Always try to get to 10 first when you're adding or subtracting. Alright, are we ready to open? Okay, open your foldable so it looks like this now. So when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. Write that at the top. So for example, and they can only be like bases, which means what? That the bases have to be what? The same. Good. Take a point. This is our first example. Isn't it lovely? This says x to the 4th, y to the 6th, times x to the 5th, y to the 8th. We are not at a bingo parlor. You don't say x4, y6. Okay? We are not old ladies playing bingo. No. Maybe for a review one day. We'll be old ladies that day. Now, which ones are like bases? Are the x's like the y's or the x's like the x's? And you cannot combine the x and y together. So 4 plus 5 is? 6 plus 8 is? Ta-da! That's it. That's all you do. Isn't it lovely? Alright, what if for my next example, I said a to the 10th, b squared, c cubed, times a to the 6th, c to the 7th. D to the 13th. Now, what can I combine together for this one? A and C. That's it. So it would be A to the what? And then you write B squared. C to the what? And D to the 13th power. And that's it. We're not going to get to dividing. And you don't have homework. Look at it go. It is. Goodbye. Have a great day. Make good choices. Be good people. Come in tomorrow super prepared to work. Does everybody understand?